How Islam protected mental health 1,400 years ago before psychology. Therapists today say journaling, gratitude, breath work. But Islam gave us more, before there were even books. Mental health is the new hot topic. Everyone's talking about depression, anxiety, and burnout. Apps offer mindfulness. Therapists charge hundreds. But what if I told you that 1,400 years ago, Islam already gave a full system for emotional wellness? Free of charge, from the one who created your soul. Prophet Muhammad wasn't a therapist, but he was the most emotionally intelligent man to ever live. Today, psychologists recommend tools that Islam introduced centuries ago. Let's explore how Islam nurtured the mind, long before the West called it mental health. Brain 1. Dhikr equals Islamic mindfulness. Modern therapists say, focus on your breath. Be in the moment. Islam says, verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace. Quran 13:28. Dhikr isn't repetition. It's anchoring your soul. It teaches presence, patience, and power. The very goals of mindfulness. Brain 2. Gratitude, shukr, rewires the brain. Science says gratitude journals reduce anxiety and depression. But the Quran already said, if you are grateful, I will give you more. Surah Ibrahim 14:7. The Prophet would say Alhamdulillah dozens of times a day, in every state. Even in pain, gratitude wasn't a hack. It was a habit. Brain 3. Talking it out, Sahaba-style counseling. Today, therapy encourages talking to someone who listens without judgment. The Prophet was that person. His companions would come to him with their worries. He never mocked, never dismissed, never told them to man up. He validated emotions. He gave du'as. He connected people to hope, not shame. Brain 4. Sleep, diet, and rest, a holistic sunnah. Therapists say, fix your sleep. Eat clean. Rest often. The Prophet did all three. Slept early after Isha. Took power naps, Kailala. Ate in moderation. And took time to be alone in reflection, like in Gari Hira. Mental health wasn't just in words, it was in lifestyle. Brain 5. Sabr, the ultimate mental strength. Every psychologist teaches resilience. Islam calls it sabr, patience with purpose. The Prophet lost children, friends, and faced rejection, but never broke. He cried, but he never gave up. He taught that emotions are human, but giving up hope is not Islamic. So the next time someone tells you to go find peace, tell them, peace was already revealed in Islam. Kaaba, from the heart of the Quran to the habits of the Prophet. The blueprint for mental health was sent before we even had psychology books. Right arrow, subscribe to Echoes of Islam, where Deen and Wellness meet.